नमस्कार, तुमचं सगळ्यांचं स्वागत आहे गोमंतक टी व्हीमध्ये. इथे आपण आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवात आलो आहेत आणि आमच्याकडे उन्नीकृष्णन मुकुंदन हे ॲक्टर, साऊथचे ॲक्टर आमच्यासोबत आहेत. त्यांच्यासोबत आम्ही गप्पा मारणार आहोत. सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, दिस इज युअर फर्स्ट IFFI in Goa. So how is the experience of IFFI?
Thank you so much, and yeah, I'm very excited. It's the first time. Actually, this is the second time I'm in Goa, but first time for IFFI. My movie Malikapuram. What I got to know is that it's running houseful here. It's quite. I was quite surprised because Malikapuram ran for 100 days in Kerala. I think it was the last film to run 100 days in theaters. We made huge profits in terms of commercial success as well. So I'm quite excited, and it's an honor that the movie is being screened here in IFFI. So I'm glad, and that my last film comes across as my best film here in IFFI. So yeah, very excited.
Sir, you are second time in Goa. What do you like most about the Goa?
See, Goa geographically looks very similar to Kerala, and I was here with my friends. So we just went around the entire मतलब नॉर्थ है साउथ है ना, मुझे इतना ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं है. हाँ, नॉर्थ साउथ है, बस ऐसे घूम रहे थे. So I like the people. I think the hospitality. I think because tourism is such a high on Goa, I found the people to be very welcoming. मैं 2 दिन के लिए था और अब मैं जब आया हूँ तो मेरे फिल्म के एक we have come for the festival. So I think I associate very good memories with Goa. और जब मेरा स्कूल वगैरह जब मैं गुजरात में था तब वहाँ हुआ था, तो वहाँ से जब मैं केरला जाता तो आई यूज़ टू टच गोवा. मतलब वो ट्रेन वहाँ रुकती थी, तो उतना ही था मेरे लिए. तो बट या आई विल लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू कम डाउन एंड एक्चुअली enjoy Goa in all aspects. Yeah. See, I'll talk about Malikapuram. Malikapuram is about Sabrimala, and if you have been to the pilgrimage, you would understand that terrain is quite difficult to go through. So the movie stars 2 actors, Shripad and Devananda. They're two little kids who have worked. And it was not an easy task to complete. We shot around 55 days in the dense forest of Sabrimala. And for me personally as well, the movie has done really wonders in terms of as an actor and in terms of helping me grow as a performer as well. So and all in all, it was a great experience to work on the subject. Everybody in Kerala, especially the family audiences, the kids, and youth equally, they really appreciated it. We have got critical acclaim. So when you do a film, all you want is that people should love it. So I think this is 11th month post the release of Malikapuram in theaters, and then still to have the movie run successfully with a houseful screen in Goa, and so that is a big thing. So yeah, very excited. I'm glad that people are enjoying Malayalam films and in general South Indian films. I think mostly because of the coming of age of OTT as well. But I think उसके पहले भी ये जो डब फिल्में होती थी, उस हिसाब से जब मेरी भी कुछ फिल्में डब होके आई है, एंड व्हेनेवर आई गो समवेयर, सो मेरे को कभी कभी ऐसा अजीब लग जाता है कि भाई ये व्हेन दे सी दैट कि सर हमने आपकी फिल्में देखी है, तो सो आई वाज लाइक अरे कहाँ देखी है, तो दे से ये फिल्म डब होके आई थी, तो इस चैनल पे देखा उस चैनल. सो या लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू, ऑफ़र आते रहते हैं, लेकिन आई वांट टू डू समथिंग सब्सटेंशियल. ऐसा कुछ काम करे जिससे लोगों को काम पसंद आए. ऑल्सो आई हैव डन कपल ऑफ 40 odd films in South, so I want it has to be an extension of this career. काम ऐसा कुछ करो कि लोग याद रखें. तो आई एम नॉट नो हरी, लेकिन डेफिनेटली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू, क्योंकि एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट यही है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग फिल्में देखें, काम देखें, और अच्छा बुरा जो भी बोलना है बोलें फिल्म से रिलेटेड. सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू, जल्दी अगर ऊपर वाले की मेहरबानी हुई तो करेंगे कुछ ऐसा. I'm working on a movie called Jai Ganesh, which I'm co-producing with Janji Shanga. I've already produced 3 films. This is my 3rd film. मेरी first film के लिए we got the national award as well this year. So उसमें भी it was great that when you produce a film and you get a national award. It was called May Padiyan, and then there are a couple of films in the pipeline as well. So looking forward, फिल्में आएंगी तो I hope to come down often